name is Audrey. I'm a training manager at Campus Antogia. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to place an Axiom BL implant, REG profile, diameter 4, length 10 mm. The protocol is simple and intuitive. You just need the Axiom surgery kit, which is common to REG, PX, and X3 profiles, and follow the color code. Ready? Let's go! As you can see, the Axiom system is very simple. A quick protocol, an intuitive color code, and a single surgical kit to place the Axiom BL REG, PX, and X3 implants. I hope you liked this video, and I wish to see you soon for another Campus video tutorial.